guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to use bead ball to do a simple earring. Yes, I have my materials here. I have my pearls, I have a bigger pearl, I have my earring hook, I have my thread. I'm using 40 mm. You can use a smaller pearl if you wish, but here I'm using a bigger pearl. If in case you would like to know how to make this bead ball, I already have a video on how to make this bead ball. It's a full detail on how to make this bead ball. Please, you can check it and learn. Thank you. So you cut enough thread and you start your bead ball. You do the ball first before designing it to an earring. So let's start the ball. This is our ball is ready. I'll now go ahead, this thread, I'll put it like this, then I'll pass it into one. As you can see, then I'll put 3 pearls here and put another 3 here. So as you can see, I have 3 pearls on each of the thread. I will go ahead and interlock it with one. I will go ahead and interlock with one. This is how it looks. So now this thread, I'll pass it into this bead and this bead. Then this thread, I'm going to pass it into this and this. As you can see, I will pass it into this. I'll pass it into this and I'll pass it into this one again. So I will do the same thing to this one. I'll pass it into this and this. And this. So this is how it will look. This is how it will look. Then I'll now get the bigger pearl. As you can see, make it to be at the center. Then I will now pass it into this bead. As you can see, I have passed it into that bead. Make sure it's at the center. Make sure it's at the center. Make sure it's at the center. So as you can see, I have passed it. I have passed the rope. Then I will pass this one too. This rope, I'll pass it up to this place before tying it. So as you can see, I'm done passing it. I passed the other rope up to here before tying it. Then I will now go ahead and fix the earring hook. You can use this type. You can use this type. Or you can even use the one that has a flat surface that you can just put here. You just use glue, put it here, then you are good to go. So you can use this kind of hook, or you just do just to pass it through the bead, then fix the earring hook and you use your plier to close it. But me, I will be tying the earring hook. I'll go ahead and pass the thread in all the beads before I cut it.